Hi, welcome to our latest course here. It's called Learn by Example Scala through 65 solved examples. You can think of Scala as the new cool kid on the block. Scala is like Java's cool cousin. This course will help you understand all of those things that make Scala cool. Scala has a whole bunch of little nifty features, language constructs that help provide support for functional programming. By the time you're done with this course, Scala won't just be a cool, new, shiny language, it will also be your steady, reliable friend. This course goes into a whole lot of detail on the nitty-gritty, the little nitty-gritty of Scala. The course will start with a gentle introduction and the big picture. Then we'll talk about the crucial difference between statements and expressions. If you're thinking that this is the first time you've heard about this difference, well, that's the whole point. Scala converts a whole bunch of language constructs into expressions. Functions are also just generic named expressions, and Scala has support for first-class functions. Then we'll talk about Scala's formidable collection library, and we'll round off the course with a discussion of classes in Scala. By the end of all of this, you'll be able to write solid, well-architected, correct Scala code. This course is meant for folks who already understand Java. The course is going to focus heavily on those parts of Scala which are different from Java. So, provided you're a Java programmer or a programmer with some experience in a Java-like language, maybe C# or C++, this course is perfect for you.